Now we will learn bird's name. And the first bird is woodpecker. W O D wood Pecker. Woodpecker. Second bird is pigeon. 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 Third bird is peacock. 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 Now sparrow. Sparrow. And the next one is dove. Dove. The next cuckoo. 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 Now this is rooster. 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 This one is quail. 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 Now this beautiful bird is parrot. 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 This is cormorant. 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 Now this is hen. 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 And then the last one is owl. 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 Now this one is vulture. 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 Now the next one is duck. 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 This one is turkey. 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 Then crane. Crane. Ostrich. World's tallest and biggest bird is ostrich. Ostrich. The next one is nightingale. Nightngale. Nightingale. And the pink one is flamingo. 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 This one is hawk. 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 Then swallow. 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 This one is pelican. 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 Next one is kingfisher. 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 Crow. Crow. Eagle. 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 Then, oh my God, then nothing. Thank you.